Energy quantization is defined as the existence of energy in large quantity. Energy in light wave is contained in discrete energy packets which are called energy quanta or photon. When we talk about energy quanta, we are talking about the packet of energy. We are talking about bundle of energy that are collectively called energy quanta or photon. Energy is emitted from metal surface in discrete packets, and such energy emitted is said to be quantized, and this is known as the concept of energy quantization, which is given as E equal to NHF, where positive integer n is called the quantum number, F is called the frequency of vibration of the resonators, and H is Planck constant, numerically given as 6.62 6 and 10 square minus 34 G second. Photoelectric effect or photoelectric experiment results suggest that the energy in light wave is contained in discrete energy packets which are called energy quanta or photon. The wave behaves like particle, and the particle is said or is called photon. In energy levels in an atoms, we found out that at ground state the energy level is 0, while at the higher state the energy levels is approaching infinity as given by the principal quantum number as n is equal to infinity. Ionization of the atom occurs at what? At infinity, and at the ground levels we have n is equal to 0, and therefore the energy is equal to 0. When n is equal to 1, the energy becomes hf. When n is equal to 2, the energy becomes 2hf. When n is equal to 3, then the energy becomes 3hf. When n is equal to 4, the energy becomes 4hf, and so on and so forth. So this shows that the energy we are talking about is an allowed energies, is a quantized energy. It's not just a continuous kind of energy, it's a quantized energy. And from these relations, F is equal to C over lambda, we can input our F as C over lambda into E is equal to HF to give us this equation. So we see that E is equal to NHF when is a quantum number which could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. And we also found that energy from one level to another can be related by this. That is, from the energy levels here, you found out that this is the highest levels, the excited state, while this is the ground state. E1 minus E0 is telling you that the energy, the electron jumps from the excited state to the lower energy level, the electrons is radiated. But when the electron jumps from the lower energy level to the higher energy level, the electrons, it reabsorbs electromagnetic radiation. So the energy that is equal to this one is E is equal to HF is equal to H3 E3 minus E0. It's telling you that the electron has jumped from the higher energy level 3 to the ground state levels. That's what we have. That's what we get. That other thing is that the energy levels of the molecules must be discrete. That is, it is not continuous but discrete or quantized. Only transitions by an amount Energy is equal to HF allowed. The implication is that the light is discrete or quantized. The light is discrete or quantized.